Ready to vibe? Let's dive into today's track. Vybz Kartel's God is the Greatest is pure energy. Let's break it down. God is the Greatest is Kartel's latest dancehall single, blending raw emotion with powerful beats. The track opens strong with God is the greatest no matter where you're going to. Count your blessings. Yeah, Kartel sets a hopeful tone with, well, today is a new day. Give thanks to life and praises to the Lord we sing for we're sanctified. He shares his journey with lines like, for me, I come from what a journey. Good thing God got me, Satan you fear. Even when life gets rough, oh life is so rough sometimes, heaven hear me cry, do something with my life. He finds strength in faith and community, and he reminds us, and the Lord is around us and blessings surround us. Me nah care who like me just to go and show love. What resonates is his message of resilience and unconditional love, a reminder that even in tough times, faith lights the way. I'm giving God is the Greatest a solid 9 out of 10, a must listen for dancehall fans seeking inspiration. If you enjoyed this review, hit like and subscribe for more quick takes.